Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush green forest, there lived a community of animals of all shapes and sizes. Among them was a wise old owl named Oliver, known for his keen intellect and gentle demeanor. Oliver was not only admired but also revered by all the animals in the forest for his wisdom and fairness. One sunny morning, as the birds chirped and the forest came alive with the hustle and bustle of its inhabitants, Oliver called for a meeting at the grand oak tree in the center of the forest. Animals of all kinds gathered around, eager to hear what the wise owl had to say. "My dear friends," began Oliver in his soothing voice, "I have noticed a troubling trend among us lately. There seems to be a lack of kindness and cooperation among our community. Instead of helping one another, some of us are resorting to selfishness and greed." The animals exchanged glances, realizing the truth in Oliver's words. They knew that harmony and unity were vital for their survival in the forest. To address this issue, Oliver proposed a challenge to the animals. He explained that he had received a message from the mystical sage of the forest, who had offered a reward to the animal that could demonstrate the greatest act of kindness and selflessness. The reward was said to be a magical talisman that would bring prosperity and happiness to the entire forest. Excited by the prospect of such a reward, the animals eagerly accepted the challenge. However, they soon realized that winning the talisman would not be easy. Each animal pondered how they could outshine the others in kindness and selflessness. The first to take up the challenge was Timothy, a diligent beaver known for his craftsmanship. He decided to build a new dam for the river, hoping it would benefit all the animals by providing a reliable source of water. Day and night, Timothy worked tirelessly, gathering logs and weaving them together with precision. His efforts were commendable, but some of the other animals felt left out, as they weren't able to contribute to the dam building process. Meanwhile, Samantha, a graceful deer, decided to share her knowledge of edible plants with the other animals. She led them on expeditions through the forest, teaching them how to identify various berries, nuts, and herbs. Her generosity was greatly appreciated. But some of the animals struggled to keep up with her pace, feeling inadequate in their abilities. As the days passed, more animals joined the competition, each trying to outdo the others in acts of kindness and selflessness. However, amidst the fervor of the challenge, something unexpected happened. One stormy night, a fierce thunderstorm swept through the forest, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Trees were uprooted, nests were destroyed, and many animals found themselves stranded and in need of help. In the midst of the chaos, the animals realized the true meaning of kindness and cooperation. They put aside their differences and worked together to rebuild their homes and assist those in need. Timothy used his dam-building skills to redirect the flow of water away from the flooded areas, while Samantha led the animals to safety through the dense underbrush. Through their collective efforts, the animals weathered the storm and emerged stronger than ever before. It was then that they realized the most valuable lesson of all, that true kindness lies not in individual achievements, but in coming together as a community to support one another. As dawn broke and the storm clouds cleared, Oliver gathered the animals once again beneath the grand oak tree. With a twinkle in his wise old eyes, he announced that the true winners of the challenge were not individuals, but the entire community, for in times of need, it is not the grand gestures that matter, but the simple acts of kindness and compassion that bind us together as one, proclaimed Oliver. And so, with a newfound sense of unity and purpose, the animals of the forest lived happily ever after, knowing that as long as they stood together, there was nothing they couldn't overcome. The